Why don't you come with me? I've got a rather large custom switchboard to show you. So here we have the board. It's a fairly large Sigenergy custom gateway, which we've designed and manufactured in-house. We're very proud of our products. I'll give you more of an in-depth look here. So up the top we have our Sigenergy PCBs, which control the system. Then this board here is a 400 amp gateway with 2 chassis for multiple stacks. I might hand over to our engineering manager, Tom Peters.
So for these Sigenergy custom gateways, we discussed with the customer their requirements. There's a lot of customizations that can be done with these regarding number of inverters, size of inverters, different ports connected, etc. Even coming down to floor mount or wall mount. So we have chats with the customer to see what they need. We design something to their specifications, and then it comes out to the manufacturing team to build a product like this. We're also excited to let you know that we are also going to be manufacturing the side and stack custom gateways. So if you have a commercial project using that product, let us know. So let us know if you have any Sigenergy custom gateway inquiries. We're here to help.